Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video, we are going to look at Amazon's latest offering in the range of Echo devices, which is the Echo Show 5. The Echo Show 5 comes with a 5.5-inch display screen and is compatible with a range of home automation devices, including the Ring Video Doorbell. Let's go ahead and open it up. Alright. I had pre-ordered this last month on Amazon India and it has just arrived. The packaging is pretty compact. Let's go ahead and open up the seal. There we go. And this here is the Echo Show 5, which is the first thing that comes out of the box. Here we go. It's got a protective film over it, and this is the back where the speaker is located. We also see different ports at the back. There's the power port, a micro USB port, and an aux port. I don't yet know the use of the micro USB port since the power port is a separate one, and we're not using the micro USB port for charging the Echo Show 5. There's a grip at the base here so that it doesn't slip. The screen is a nice 5-inch display. Let's go ahead and take off the protective film. There we go. We can see that there are a few buttons at the top. There's the mute and camera off button with the volume buttons and the camera shutter open and close function. Alright, let's keep this aside for now and let's look at what else is included in the box. We have a couple of booklets here talking about the Echo Show 5, mentioning the various buttons that we have, also mentioning the various ports that we have. We also have some information about do's and don'ts and some things to try that we can experiment with on the Echo Show 5. And what else do we have in the box? Let's see. There's also a power adapter along with the power cable. The Echo Show 5 needs to be connected to a power source. You cannot use it without connecting it to the power source. So it's not really portable. You need to connect it to the power source at all times. The connector on the power cable is not a USB port, so you cannot use your existing micro USB or USB Type-C cables with the Echo Show 5. You're going to have to use the power adapter that's included along with the cable that's included for powering on your Echo Show 5. So that's all that there is about unboxing the Echo Show 5. Let me know about your experience of using the Echo Show 5, if you liked it. What are some of the features you like about the Echo Show 5? Some cool tips and tricks. I'm going to bring you another video about how to set up your Echo Show 5, and that's going to be coming up next. So do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to be notified about when other videos are uploaded. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel and thank you for watching.